Today in our plant-based world has been driven, if you're paying attention to the news at all, by the Beyond Burger and the Impossible Burger. We wanted to talk a little bit about the difference in what we're trying to do and what they have done. The Beyond and Impossible Burger is really about saving our planet, and we're so excited that they have come to market and they're backed by big organizations, a lot of money, and they're really helping everybody eat another plant-based meal. There's a lot of flexitarians out there, people that would have never been introduced to plant-based food are now able to get this and eat it. The difference here is that they've really tried to imitate a burger. And again, the goal was to eliminate eating of cows and trying to find a way to bridge that gap. So we're excited about this, but that is not who we are. Who we are is we are a grain-based patty, grain and vegetable base, as you can see in our wheel. And what we do is we don't use science to produce our product. Everything is ingredients that you can pronounce. We try to have wonderful, great flavors in that, but we're not replacing a burger in that sense. We are just giving you another protein, all natural, grain and vegetable based product that you can eat in many ways, as you'll see in a few of our videos, and we hope you'll share some with us as well. Please enjoy and stay safe.